armed and dangerous. Take a look at this surveillance video, frightening surveillance video of a man who held up a pharmacy here in Lakeland at gunpoint, and deputies now fear he will strike again. They're saying that he cased another Walgreens before hitting this one. The robber puts a gun to the pharmacist's head, and deputies worry again he could strike again. The surveillance video shows a gunman holding the pharmacist at gunpoint, demanding oxycodone and Percocet. All this going down around 2:30 a.m. Wednesday. He jumped the counter, threatened to shoot the pharmacist if she made any noise, but the guy's clothing could help ID him. Deputies say he was wearing a Detroit Red Wings baseball cap, a camo hoodie, and a purple glove on the hand holding the gun. Now, there is a cash reward for any information leading to an arrest. If you know who this man is, call Crime Stoppers.